If you're still relying on gut instinct to trade, you're already behind. Maxbot is here. I teach disciplined trading through structure, not hype. And if you've ever felt like the market's moving faster than your reactions, you're not alone. Let's talk. Now, I want to share with you some important thoughts that will help you make the leap to the next level. My experience in trading is 10 years, and I have a lot to share with you. I actively implement modern technologies in my work. My assistant is a smart robot that collects indicator data in real time and provides it in a convenient format, immediately recommending which way to open a trade. Now I want to show you the process of working with this bot. The currency pair is pound and yen. I start with $1 in each trade on a 1-minute time frame. I will invest the entire amount of the deposit. When you finish, you will see the final result on your screens, friends. I can do such performances because I have a lot of experience. This is not advice. I am showing you my experience and the capabilities of the bot. I have accelerated the price movement to save you time. And now about the important thing. Robot Maxbot free and forever you can get within a month, link in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Click the trial signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try out the trading bot today. And in order not to miss the latest useful videos, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Like and comment, we need your feedback, guys. I used to stare at charts for hours, hoping for the perfect setup. Most times I was early, or late, or wrong. Then I saw something shift. Traders using automation weren't trading harder, they were trading smarter, with data, with systems, with patience. That's when I made the switch. Common mistake. The biggest lie in trading, the more you trade, the more you earn. Wrong. Overtrading kills accounts. Chasing setups drains focus. What you need is fewer trades with better timing and tighter logic. What to do instead? Risk only 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Avoid FOMO. Wait for clean confirmations. Track every trade. Your edge lives in your data. Use automation to support, not replace your analysis. Build a routine. No routine equals emotional chaos. That's why I use a signals assistant, not because it makes decisions for me, but because it adds precision. It analyzes faster than I can. It sees what I miss. It alerts me only when a real setup forms, not noise, not maybe, just logic. Last Thursday, it flagged URGPP rejecting a resistance level with a divergence confirmation. The trade hit the target. I risked $10, I made $8. Could I have spotted it manually? Maybe. Would I have? Unlikely. The assistant didn't hesitate, it just executed. Right now, you can grab lifetime access to the assistant for free, but only for the next 30 days. After that, it shifts to paid. This is your shot to lock in forever access. Links in the description. Smash the like if this helped. Comment below. What's your biggest weakness in trading right now? Do you use any tools for filtering entries? What's your #1 indicator or method? Let's build together. Subscribe and check the Telegram link below. You're not behind. You're just one decision away from the level you're aiming for. But you've got to act. The markets aren't waiting, neither should you. Scaling is simple math. $100 deposit equals $1 trades equals 80 cents per win. $1,000 deposit equals $10 trades equals $8 per win. Same strategy, bigger impact. So go in strong if you want stronger returns. Use volume to confirm price strength. Watch structure, not just candlestick patterns. Always ask, who's pushing this move and why now? Automation is not replacing traders, it's replacing hesitation. Algorithms now analyze in milliseconds what humans take minutes to notice. From hedge funds to retail traders, those using automation are widening the gap. It's not about removing the human, it's about enhancing the human. That's where the future's going, and if you want to stay relevant, you need to evolve with it. Because the traders who adapt early win early. Look back at any major shift, whether it was the internet, mobile tech, or social media. Those who embraced change when it felt uncomfortable, they're the ones leading today. Automated trading is no different. This isn't about handing over control, it's about leveling up your analysis. It's about seeing what others miss, faster, cleaner, more consistently. Still trying to manually mark up charts late at night, still guessing direction off gut feeling. That's not strategy. That's gambling with time. The real edge today is precision, and AI is built for exactly that. My assistant doesn't sleep. It doesn't second guess. It scans data, filters opportunities, and highlights exactly where attention is needed. Not based on hype, based on structure, history, and probability. You don't need to reinvent your strategy. You need to upgrade your process. Here's an example. Last week, the assistant flagged a potential reversal on Euro USD. The signal aligned with 3 indicators, clean market structure, and timing was spot on. The result? A textbook bounce that many would have missed. No stress, no noise, just execution. That's the kind of support this gives you. And right now, it's free. But let's be honest, that won't last. In a month, the window closes. After that, it's subscription-based. So if you're serious about improving, stop hesitating. Grab it today. Use it, stress test it, challenge it with your setups, and let the results speak for themselves. Before we wrap, drop a comment. What's one habit that improved your trading the most? Whether it's journaling, risk control, or sticking to a certain time frame, I want to hear it. Because the more we share, the sharper we all get. Hit that like if this gave you value. Subscribe for more insights, and don't forget, Telegram links in the description. Here's the truth. Smart traders don't wait for permission. They act. So if you're watching this thinking maybe later, you've already lost a step. Later belongs to the ones who don't make moves. You're here now. You've got the chance. So take it. Let's go. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Because every moment you hesitate is compounding into missed potential. That's not drama, that's math. You don't have to catch every move, you just need to catch the right ones consistently. And that consistency, it's not about trading more, it's about trading smarter. When your system is tight, your emotions don't run the show. When your data is clean, your confidence grows. And when your assistant is doing the heavy lifting on analysis, you're not reacting, you're anticipating. This is the future of trading. Not hype, not signals from random Telegram groups. Real tools, real edges, real structure. So if you're watching this and still sitting on the fence, ask yourself, what's actually stopping you? Because the only thing standing between you and your next breakthrough is action. You in? Then start with the link in the description. Meanwhile, I'm one step away from the finish line. Yes, friends, it was a symbiosis of my site and effective recommendations from the robot. Yes, I went from $1 to a good result. You can see it on your screens. Subscribe, click the bell, get the bot for free. Bye.